Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer videos from one Mac computer to another Mac computer using a USB flash drive. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to two Mac computers. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are using a MacBook Pro and a MacBook Air. We also need to have a USB flash drive with us that can have a capacity of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, all the way to 1 to 8, really depending on the size of the files that we are looking to transfer. We also must make sure that the Mac computers we are using have access to USB ports. If not, we may then require USB adapters. If we are using USB Type-C, we can now start the tutorial. So we can now go all the way down to the dock on the Mac computer, go to Finder, navigate to the folder that has the videos that we are looking to transfer. Let's go to Movies, Videos, and there I see two videos ready to transfer from the Mac computer to the other Mac computer. So now we can minimize Finder for the moment. We can now take the USB pen drive, insert into the Mac computer. Let's just wait for that to load. There we'll see on screen that has popped up on screen. Click on Kingston, increase the size of the Finder window, go all the way down to the dock. Again, go back to the first Finder window. Let's now place them side to side. Go within the Kingston USB, right click, new folder. Let's call this folder Videos. Let's now open up the folder, double click. Let's now go back to the original Finder window that has the videos in them, highlight the videos, right click, copy, or we can use Command C to copy, and then go to the Kingston USB Videos folder, right click, paste to items. That itself is done. We can now quit Finder. We can also quit the USB. Right click, eject Kingston. This may take some time. And once we have ejected the USB from the MacBook Pro, we can now remove the USB flash drive from the USB port and now insert into the MacBook Air and wait for that to pop up on screen. And there we go, the Kingston USB on screen. Double click, let that open up, wait for that to load. Let's just increase the size of the Finder window. Highlight the contents, right click, copy, turn the attention to the desktop, right click, paste, item, wait for that to transfer. And that itself is done. We can now quit the Finder window. We can now eject the Kingston USB as it is not in use. That's done. Remove the Kingston USB from the MacBook Air. We can now turn the attention to the MacBook Pro. And so that's how you transfer videos from one Mac computer to another using USB. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.